guys, Wagwan, it's your girl Shanice and I am so excited to welcome you guys back to Jammin' Cuisine. If you're new, welcome and thank you so much for joining. In this video, as you guys can see, I will show you how I made this easy, quick and delicious stir-fried rice noodles with shrimp, chicken breast and veggies. Something that everyone will enjoy, and it's a very quick dinner idea. So let's get right into this recipe. So these are the rice sticks noodles I will be using. You want to have some boiling water ready in a kettle or on the stove, and we're just gonna pour it in and let it sit for 5 minutes. That's all we need. We're not gonna boil these because they're very delicate. So you also want to ensure that everything is fully submerged, and we're just gonna set it to the side and start working on our chicken breast right now. So as you guys can see, this is a really thick piece of chicken breast. I'm just gonna sort of butterfly it, and then I'm gonna use my rolling pin to roll over, sort of beat it up a little bit just to ensure that it has a even layer, because we want to ensure that all the chicken pieces are cooked evenly. This is optional if your chicken breast is not as thick as this piece I have right here. I'm just gonna cut my chicken breast into strips. We're gonna set that to the side, and then here I have my vegetables that I will be using in this stir fry. I have 3 to 4 cloves of garlic minced. I have half of a red and yellow bell pepper. I also have some portobello mushrooms that I decided to add to this recipe, a small red onion, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, low sodium soy sauce, and cayenne pepper. So you're gonna get your skillet nice and hot with around a tablespoon to 2 of olive oil. If you have a wok, that's even better. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken breast. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and season our chicken strips while we're cooking them. I'm gonna go ahead and add around 2 teaspoons of black pepper with a pinch of salt. I'm also gonna add a teaspoon of the cayenne pepper. We're gonna mix that in, and we really don't want to overcook these chicken strips. As you guys can see, they're very thin, so we're gonna cook them for around 4 minutes, and my flame is on medium high right now. After around a minute of cooking our chicken, I'm gonna add my garlic to that, saute them together, and then after 30 seconds or so, I'm gonna push that to the side. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our shrimp. We're just gonna cook the shrimp for around a minute per side. So I also added a teaspoon of ginger paste off camera. This is gonna elevate the flavor a lot. You can use ground ginger or fresh ginger. And then to this, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of our low sodium soy sauce. And this is just gonna be so delicious, guys. So we're gonna combine all this goodness together, and please ensure that we're not overcooking our protein. So 4 minutes, 5 minutes for the chicken breast, and then 2 minutes for the shrimp. Once we remove them, which we're gonna do right now, we're gonna add them back to the noodles and vegetables to get all the flavors combined, so they're not finished cooking as yet. After we've removed our proteins, we're gonna go ahead and add our onions. We're gonna saute those for around 2 minutes until they get translucent, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our bell peppers and saute those together. After around a minute or so, we're gonna go ahead and add our mushrooms. As I said, this is optional. I only used it because these mushrooms have been sitting in my refrigerator for a good minute. But trust me, you won't regret it if you decide to use the mushrooms, because it definitely made it even more delicious. At this time, I am adding another tablespoon of our soy sauce. I'm really just adding the soy sauce occasionally. I think the soy sauce is really gonna bring all the flavors out. After around 30 seconds, we're gonna go ahead and add our proteins back to our skillet. We're gonna combine that really well. Let them sit for another 30 seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our rice noodles, which should be very soft and ready to eat by now. So guys, we're gonna gently combine the noodles to everything else. I think the best thing to use is a tongue. They're very delicate, so you want to just gently pick the noodles up and sort of combine everything together. I lowered my flame at this time, but everything is still cooking. So we're just gonna combine everything on a low flame for a minute or 2. At this time, you want to taste to see what needs to be adjusted. If you want to add some more soy sauce, some more salt, whatever you want to do. And it's all finished, guys. Like, this dish literally took me 8 minutes prepping and cooking. Very easy, very delicious. This is a quick and easy dinner idea that my moms will enjoy. You get home from work, you want to make something quick for the family. The kids will enjoy it. You know, kids love noodles as well. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any recommendations as to what you'd like to see me make next, any other quick dinner ideas, I'd be more than happy to do so. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, all the ingredients will be down below in the description box. Guys, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to subscribe. Big up on yourself. Walk good, stay safe. Until next time.